Welcome, everyone. I'm so glad you're here today. If you've ever walked into a room and felt an instant connection, you know the power of great interior design. It's not just about aesthetics, it's about creating a space that resonates with who you are and how you want to feel. Today, let's dive into some essential interior design skills that can transform any space into a sanctuary of comfort and style. First, understanding color theory is key. Colors can evoke emotions and set the mood of a room. Whether you prefer calming blues or vibrant yellows, choosing the right palette can make all the difference. Next, let's talk about space planning. This is where functionality meets beauty. Consider how you use your space daily. Arranging furniture to promote flow and accessibility can enhance both the look and feel of your home. Don't be afraid to experiment with different layouts until you find what works best for you. Another vital skill is the art of layering textures. Mixing materials like wood, metal, and fabric adds depth and interest to your design. Think about incorporating soft throws, sleek furniture, and natural elements to create a balanced and inviting atmosphere. Lighting is also crucial. It can dramatically change the ambience of a room. Use a combination of ambient, task, and accent lighting to highlight your favorite features and create a warm, welcoming environment. Lastly, don't forget the power of personal touches. Incorporating items that reflect your personality like artwork, photographs, or souvenirs can make your space uniquely yours. Remember, your home should tell your story. Thank you for joining me today. I hope these tips inspire you to explore your interior design skills and create spaces that truly reflect who you are. If you found this helpful, please consider following or subscribing for more insights. Happy designing!